First, go to hostinger.com/free hosting. Select the free plan. I chose to log in with Google, but do whatever you feel. Press Create a new website and choose WordPress. Add a name, optional, and make a password. Press Create. Now this may take up to a minute. Now you will create a WordPress password and username. Now while you're waiting, copy the URL and paste it into the browser with WP admin at the end, like this. Put the name and password you entered earlier here. And there we go, we're in. Like and subscribe for more content like this.